In this video, we'll show you how to change the differential fluid on your Chevy Silverado. You can find the right differential fluid on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Chevy Silverado safely. Place a fluid collection tray under the differential to catch the differential fluid that will flow out. Unscrew the filler hole plug using a ratchet and a 3/8" square socket. Start the process with the ratchet and finish it off by hand. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the 10 bolts holding the differential cover.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Remove the differential cover. Lift it off using a small crowbar as a lever. Let the fluid run out for about 10 minutes. Remove the used gasket. Before replacing the differential cover, you need to clean the seal surface to ensure a perfect seal. Clean the seal surface with brake cleaner and paper towels. You can also use a car trim removal tool to help you. Then, scrub with fine sandpaper. Finish with brake cleaner and wipe with a paper towel. Protect the differential with a clean cloth. Repeat the same operations on the differential. Remove the cloth. Once perfectly clean, put the new gasket in place. Replace the differential cover, first tightening the bolts by hand. Then screw them back in with a ratchet until they make contact. Finish tightening the bolts in staggered order using a torque wrench. Now you need to add fluid back into the differential. This step must be done with care and precision. First, lower your truck back onto the ground as the differential fluid must be filled with the vehicle flat. You can order the differential fluid used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Then, using an oil syringe or a bottle with a filling spout, fill the differential fluid until the fluid overflows from the hole, indicating that you have added enough fluid to the differential. Clean the differential's filler cap well, because it is magnetic and there is often grime left on it. Now you can screw the filler cap back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Clean up the fluid that overflowed the differential. Operation complete.